In this video, you'll learn how to create a basic quiz. So I have a project here, and on the first step, I have a message for the user that it's quiz time. I set this up in the UI editor. To create a quiz, go to the form editor and change the type to quiz. Let's also organize the workspace a little bit so it's a bit easier to work. Move this down. So we have the form editor in full view, and let's click on show form to have the preview for this particular question. For my first question, I will ask, when did the first jet-powered aircraft flight take place? I will give my users 2 attempts to get this answer right, and I will also change the priority to force view so that this question is presented when the user exits this step. As for my answers, I will supply 3 answers. And I will mark my correct answer with answer B. I also want to ask a second question, so let's create a new step for that. And let's change the priority to auto open so that it opens at the beginning of this step. This time I want to ask a multiple select question. And for question, I will ask, who invented the turbofan engine? I will leave my attempts at 2, and I will enter 3 answers. In this case, all 3 answers are correct, so I will all mark them as the correct answer. And before we publish this project, we can test it out in simulation mode. So currently I am on step 1. As I exit the step, the question is presented. Let's first answer an incorrect answer. I submit it. This is incorrect. I can try again. I'll try the second option. This is correct, so I can advance to the next step. In here as well, let's give it an incorrect answer. That is incorrect. Let's try again and add the last option. This is correct. So now let's stop this and let's publish this project to the cloud so that we can test out the end user experience. I will place my object first. When exiting the first step, I get the question presented. I will first supply an incorrect answer, then try again to give the correct answer. And the same thing in the next step. First an incorrect answer, try again, and then the correct answer. This was a basic introduction to quizzes.